All right, here we go with end behavior. End behavior, you can read it basically from the inside out. If you look on the left-hand side here, and you can also use your arrows, because a lot of times arrows, not on your actual graphing calculator, but when you draw it, you should have arrows like that and that. Well, on the left-hand side, it's pointing up, so it rises on the left. On the right-hand side, it falls on the right. Now, end behavior, I like to look at arrows. Those are important. Cool? So if you start in the middle, when it says like inside out, if you start in the middle and you go out this way, it's going up. Start here, it's going down. Okay? Let's try a couple of those. So let's do an example of a negative cubic trinomial. So cubic, what's its end behavior? Negative, and remember this from the last video, a negative cubic is going to look like this. So on the left-hand side, which would be right over here, look at our arrow, it's pointing up. So rise left, and on the right-hand side, the arrow is going down. It's yelling timber. So fall right. Next one, positive quartic binomial. Well, a positive quartic is going to look like this in its general shape. Sometimes the middle area is not quite as pronounced. It might be a little bit more like flatter. But still, the end behavior is what we're looking at, and both arrows are pointing up, so it rises right and rises left. So both of them. Woo! That's fun. Let's take a look at the last one. Write an example of a negative quintic polynomial. So a negative monomial. What's its end behavior? Well, our general look of a quintic is going to be, when it's negative, is going to be like that. Again, these middle, like all the maxes and mins, are not going to necessarily always be quite as pronounced. It can end up being just kind of and then down. But our general look, we're looking at our end behavior, look at our arrows. This is our negative quintic, so arrow going up on the left, down on the right, so it rises, rise left, falls right. Oh, fun stuff. I love end behavior. End behavior makes me think of arrows.